Hey, I'm Ross from BBQ Sauce Rotisseries. Today, I'm going to cook my award-winning competition-style chicken wings. Today we're using Flaming Coal's lump charcoal. We're cooking with the S&S offset basket to get that offset kettle flow. Alright, next step, we're going to rub these with one of my favorite rubs, Kosmos Dirty Bird. It's a little bit savory, a little bit sweet, hits all the right notes. Alright, now we got to rub the top. Most important part, because everybody eats with their eyes. It's gotta look pretty. Yeah! Pro tip, load your meat on the grill that's not on the barbecue. That way you don't have to stand over a hot fire. Barbecue's running pretty hot. I think these bad boys are gonna cook in about 21 minutes. All right, it's been about 12 minutes. Let's temp them and see how they're going. Well over 165, safe for eating, but I like to take them a little bit further. So, another couple minutes. To get a little more time out of them, let the inside cook, I'm gonna spritz the skin to cool them down a tiny bit. All right, now that they're cooked, well over 175 degrees, we're gonna hit them with a little bit of finishing sauce. I absolutely love the honey barbecue finishing sauce from Sucklebusters. I think it's one of the best out there. So we're gonna put a little glaze on them, put the lid back on and let it set for like a minute, not very long. You don't want it to get too tacky. So there you have it, my competition wings. Rubbed with Dirty Bird, glazed with Sucklebusters honey glaze. They're looking good, it's time to try them. All 10s.